So I got these and I was gonna do a whole video like dedicated to this, but like that shit's stupid. So I cleaned her out, I put in batteries, and I thought I'll try something else, something more near and dear to my heart. We got cow juice and that's quick, and I just want to see if I can do something. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some cow juice in here. Okay, don't do too much, a little bit more. Okay, cute. And then we're gonna get into this Nesquik. Bitch, let me not spill this milk, because if it goes on my laptop, I'm pissed. All right, so I'm gonna try and put in 2 spoons. 1. Oh my God, Bill Nye would be so proud. And 2. Okay, so then get this shit out of the way. All right, we're gonna close her. All right, I'm scared actually. Oh God, let me get away. Okay, so we're gonna see if this should work. Oh God, okay, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Can we lift her up? Okay, it's safe. I think I put too much powder, but that's okay. So I'm gonna add a little bit more milk to this because it's too dark. Let's go. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, still too dark, but whatever. We love high blood sugar in this house. Okay, so then, from my understanding, I can lift this up and drink it. Okay, we're gonna try it. Oh God. We have our freshly mixed concoction, so I'm gonna go ahead and carefully. Hello? What was that? Ah! Okay, maybe this isn't a good idea. Let me get a cup. Okay, I found a clear cup, so let's see what comes out. Oh, she's leaking. Wait, that's water. Where's water coming from? I didn't put water in this. Okay, so here we go. Oh! Okay. For some reason, the actual pink thingy is leaking water, and then there's chocolate milk. So, we'll see how this goes. And it's still leaking water. I don't know where. Okay, I'm literally never using this again. I'm trying to see how does it look inside. Okay, it's almost done inside. Okay, I think that's enough. No, it's still going. Oh, okay. All right, shake it out. Okay. Girl, okay, girl. Stop. We get it. Okay. And then latch her on right here. Okay. Oh, it really all came out. Where's all this water coming from? Straight up water. Okay, the moment of truth. Okay. Cheers.